Today I will discuss the drawing structure of a molecule by using the IUPAC name. In order to draw a structure of a molecule, some steps should be considered. As root word indicates the number of the carbon atom, so a state chain of the carbon atom on the basis of root word of the parent chain should be drawn. If the root word has prefix cyclo, the carbon chain is drawn in the form of polygon. The carbon atom of the parent chain is numbered from any one end to other end. If name has primary suffix in YNA, the double bond or triple bond is generated at the carbon indicated by its preceded position. Principal functional group is identified on the basis of the suffix of the parent name that occurs at the end of the parent chain. If suffix of a principal functional group is preceded with the position, it is generated at that carbon. If suffix is lack of the position, functional group is generated at the first carbon. Prefix of the parent name indicates the substituent. They are generated at the respective position. Finally, in order to complete the tetravalency of the carbon, required number of hydrogen is attached to the respective carbon atoms. These are some steps to draw the structure of a molecule by using the IUPAC name. Suppose we want to write the IUPAC name of the molecule 3-formyl 6-methoxy 4-phenyl octanoic acid. It is the IUPAC name of a particular molecule. This molecule has the root word octane, oct. So the root word oct indicates the molecule has the 8 carbon atoms in the present molecule. So at first we write the 8 carbon atoms either in zigzag line in the paper. For example, oct 8, so 1, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon atoms present in the molecules. Now numbering is started by either end of the carbon skeleton as we like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since there is no ENA or YNA, so the molecule is saturated. Now the suffix of the molecule is oic acid, and the oic acid has no any position, so the first carbon should be generated as the carboxylic acid, which is indicated by the oic acid. So first carbon C double bond O OH is converted as the carboxylic functional group. Now these are the substituent which is indicated by the prefix present in the molecule. As there are 3 formyl, so 1, 2, 3. So formyl group should be generated at the carbon number 3, COH. Now there are 6 methoxy group. So the carbon number 6, which has the methoxyl group, so methoxy group should be generated at the 6th carbon, OCH3. 4-methyl molecule has the 4-methyl, so the carbon number has the phenyl group at the carbon 4. So there is phenyl group PH. PH stands for the benzene ring. It is the phenyl group, so which is generated at the carbon 4 in the molecule. Now there is no any ENA or YNE. So the molecule is saturated. Now the tetravalency of carbon is generated by the required number of hydrogen present in the molecule. For example, this carbon has four valency, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this carbon is, so tetravalency of this carbon is completed. This carbon has 2 carbon atoms, so 2 hydrogens should be attached to complete the tetravalency of second carbon. This carbon has 1, 2, 3 valency. Now 1 hydrogen is added to complete the tetravalency of carbon 3. This carbon has 3 valency, so this carbon also requires 1 hydrogen atom. This carbon has 2 valency, so 2 hydrogen atoms are required. This carbon atom has 3 valency, so 1 hydrogen is added. This carbon atom has 2 valency, so in order to complete the tetravalency, this carbon atom has 2 required hydrogen atoms. This carbon atom has only 1 valency, so 3 hydrogen atoms should be added to complete the tetravalency of the carbon number 8. Now it is the complete structure of 3-formyl 6-methoxy 4-phenyl octanoic acid. This is the required steps and required step to draw the structure of a molecule by using the IUPAC name of a molecule. Thank you.